Yes, I am going to do the unboxing of this product. This is Xiaomi's Mi Band 3. You have seen a lot of unboxings, I do know that. I am quite late, but still I am going to give you the unboxing. You are watching Consumer Awareness. I am going to explain why I have changed the name from PS Roaming to Consumer Awareness. And I am going to give the unboxing. If you want to skip why I have changed my name or my channel's name, then skip it, okay? Because I'm going to bore you, yes. If you want to see this product, if you want to know what comes in this box, then skip it. To the unboxing, I will explain certain things. Why I have changed the channel's name to Consumer Awareness. This channel is all about consumer awareness. I will give you the best information and valid explanation to you all so that you can be aware of this stuff. I am going to create certain playlist for you all so that you can relate to it. Before I do the unboxing, yes, I am repeating the sentence. I will explain why consumer awareness, why not other name. Consumer awareness means I am awareing you all, means even I am also a consumer, and each and every one of you who are watching this video, even you are a consumer. I am awareing you beforehand so that you are not in that trouble of looking around, what should I buy? I have this much of amount, like I have 20k, what phone should I buy within that budget? I am going to tell you all these things. I am going to give you the perfect explanation why you should buy, why you shouldn't. If you analyze the video, you will get to know this is perfect for me or this is not. Not every product, or I should say humans are not perfect, so each and every product which are created by humans, they are also not perfect. So if you want to buy a certain thing, like if you want a laptop and your need is to play games on that laptop, I will suggest you the perfect gaming laptop for you within your budget range. If you are into a gaming mobile, I am going to suggest that. So see whether your needs are fulfilling or not. Don't buy a random product and afterwards you regret. This is all about my channel. So let's go further into the unboxing or the box content. Here is the box, yes, here is the box of the Mi Band 3, and here is the Mi Band. You will get the Mi Band itself, the band, and one charger, proprietary charger. Don't lose it because this will cost you 150 bucks. Yes, this charger is going to cost you 150 bucks. And there will be some paperwork and documentations in this box. Keeping those aside, let's move into the actual product. Here is the Mi Band. Yes, as you can all see, here is the Mi Band. You will get some good information. I will give you the review of this product. Before giving you the review, I am not going to give you the review here in this particular video. I am going to create a new video and where I am going to give you the pros and cons. Here I am going to just give you the overview. This product is extremely good in the budget range. Yes, you will get sleep tracking. You will get sleep tracking. You will get distance you have traveled. You can even measure your heartbeat through this sensor. Yes, these are all the things which you will get. There are more things, like you can easily see the battery percentage from here. You can get the notifications. Yes, you can get the notifications from here. Even you will get the let me go. Yes, you will get the climate information, exercise mode, and there is more in which you will get a stopwatch. You can easily silence your phone with the help of this Mi Band, and you can find your device, and there are some certain screens. I am going to be giving you the full in-depth review soon. But this is all it about this video. I'm going to end this video. If you are liking this channel or the concept of this channel, please do like and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, peace.